In our last lesson, we identified some of the unique challenges that we, as neurodivergent people, might face in the workplace. Now, let's focus on how to develop resilience by finding ways to accommodate our needs. I encourage you to keep an open mind and think about how each of these strategies might fit into your daily work life. Of course, what works for one person might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The goal here is to discover what works best for you. And this is why you are in charge. You can take what resonates with you and leave the rest out. First, let's talk about sensory sensitivities. When you're sensitive to noise or light, consider strategies like using noise-canceling headphones or adjusting the lighting at your workplace. What about wearing tinted glasses to reduce contrasts? If you struggle to regulate your body temperature, like me, what about asking your team, can I be in charge of the thermostat? Have you tried these or similar adaptations? You might think they look a bit awkward for a second. I sure felt really funny at first, coming into my meetings wearing sunglasses. But thanks to them, I have to say, I almost never have headaches anymore. Let's focus on navigating social communication next. If you find certain social aspects of work challenging, role-playing scenarios or scripting common interactions can be helpful. Also, consider how clear and direct communication can play a role in your workplace interaction. It might be worth asking your manager to avoid giving you spoken instructions, maybe, and sending you emails instead. And if you see they tend to forget, maybe start carrying a pen and taking notes anytime they start giving you any task. Reflect on the time you used or could have used these strategies and how they might have helped. Navigating executive functioning differences can also be challenging. Thankfully though, there are apps like Tiimo, tools like planners, different types of strategies that can be incredibly helpful. If organizing tasks or managing time is difficult, think about a specific instance where a tool or an approach made a difference, or could have made a difference, in your work life in the future. In addition to the specific challenges, remember to breathe often. Research suggests that it helps with reducing anxiety and grounds you in moments of stress and sensory overload. By focusing on your breath, you can divert attention from overwhelming stimuli and provide yourself with a sense of calm. Come on, I meant it. Let's breathe together. The exercise is quite simple. Inhale for 3 seconds, hold for another 3, and exhale for another 3. Now start with me. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Another time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. See, it feels so much better already.